Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to get travel insurance easily using the AXA travel insurance website. Travel insurance is a crucial aspect for any trip, whether it's for a holiday or a business trip. Ensuring you are covered for unexpected situations like cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage can bring peace of mind throughout your journey. We begin by visiting the AXA travel insurance website. You'll notice the user-friendly layout, which makes it simple to navigate. First, you can explore the main sections of the site. They highlight different insurance plans such as single trip, multi-trip, and family options, giving you flexibility based on your travel needs. On the home page, you'll see an easy-to-find option to start getting a quote for travel insurance. Click on the Get a Quote button, which leads you to a page where you can input your trip details. You'll be asked for the dates of travel, destination, and personal details such as age and nationality. This step helps tailor the coverage based on your specific trip. One of the key advantages of AXA travel insurance is the wide range of coverage options it offers, including medical coverage, trip cancellations, and lost baggage insurance. Depending on the type of coverage you choose, the price will vary, but overall, AXA offers competitive rates that are affordable for most travelers. The website clearly explains each plan's features, so you can easily compare what's best for your trip. Now let's discuss some of the disadvantages. While the website is straightforward, some users might find the multiple plan options overwhelming, especially if they are new to travel insurance. However, they do provide helpful information on each plan to guide you through the selection process. I'd like to recommend AXA Traveling, a trusted partner service that offers similarly comprehensive travel insurance options. You can find more details by following the link in the description. It's a reliable alternative to consider when shopping for travel insurance. Once you've selected the plan that fits your needs, the process of finalizing the payment is quick. Simply input your payment information and confirm your purchase. Afterward, you'll receive an email with all the insurance documents, making it easy to have them ready for your trip. Be sure to visit the link in the description to secure your travel insurance today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this guide helped you.